I'm your friend and mentor Rohit Kakkad. In this video, I want to show you how you can read data set from Kaggle and do the analysis in Google Colab. Okay, so going forward, I intend to make videos where we will pull the data set on Kaggle. As we know, there are so many data sets on Kaggle, and we will do the analysis on Google Colab because we will have AI assistant within Google Colab, which is Gemini. As you know how things are changing in analytics, lot of now we are leveraging AI assistant a lot for generating codes, for doing the analysis end to end as well. Okay, so we will learn how to read data set from Kaggle so that we can start coding in Google Colab and take AI assistant help for doing the analysis quickly, effectively, and be better analysts, business consultants, data scientists, and so on. Okay, so for this video, I'm taking example of Superstore dataset, which is a very famous dataset on Kaggle. And for that, what you need to do is you need to go to kaggle.com. You can just search on Superstore dataset in Google. You will get the link of Kaggle website. You go to that, and then you click on download. Okay, once you do that, you will get a API API way to read Kaggle API, and then the path of of the path where this data set is saved in Kaggle. Okay, so import Kaggle Hub. Path is equal to Kaggle Hub dot dataset download, and this is the person who is hosting this data on Kaggle, and this is the folder that he has created where the main data set that we want to access is kept. So we'll copy this and we will paste it in Google Colab. Okay, let's run this and see what we'll get. So we will see that we are able to connect to Kaggle and we can read this data set effectively. Now we have to see what files are available in this folder, sales hyphen forecasting, and we see that there's only one file, train.csv. So that is the main data set that we want to read and work for analysis going forward. And then we convert this train.csv into a pandas data frame using this code, and we see the head, which is a sample data, top 5 rows. Based on this, we will do the analysis, what needs to be done on the data set, what all fields are there. We'll understand this in the next video, but this was about how to connect Kaggle datasets within Google Colab and do our analysis extensively so that we are able to get help of AI assistant during our analysis. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. All the very best.